In Islam, nothing is declared haram without a voice and just reason. Allah Almighty is the creator of human being, and He knows what is the best for us. So, haram things harm our faith, not only faith, but the whole structure of life. For example, alcohol, drugs, gambling, and other immoral behavior uh, that destroy our mind and society. What Islam's forbid often causes physical and psychological damage. In Sahih Muslim, our Holy Prophet says, Allah is pure and He accepts what is pure. So we just be pure to fulfill our life demand. Hope so you will understand.